Hello everyone, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get the new free reward in Brawl Stars. So the first thing we need to do is simply download Brawl Stars on our phone. So we go to the App Store here. And then we make sure that Brawl Stars is installed on our phone. But I don't need to install it since it doesn't matter, because all you need to do is scan a QR code, which I will show you in a minute. So once you've downloaded Brawl Stars, make sure you take a screenshot or pause the video to scan this QR code right here. And then once you've scanned or screenshotted this QR code, or what you can do is just long press on that, and then open in Brave or any other browser, Google Chrome or Safari, you'll be taken to this link right here. As you can see, it is the same link. If I just open it in Brave right here, it is the same link. So all you need to do is tap on Claim Reward, and I'll just tap on Allow. But that site cannot be reached since I don't have Brawl Stars on my phone. But if you do have Brawl Stars on your phone, it will be able to claim the reward. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.